Hello and welcome back to my channel. So happy new year 2019. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. So today I'm coming with a unboxing of my Perfumania. I was gonna do a Facebook live, but not a Facebook live, a YouTube live, but I think there's something going on because I can't get my YouTube to pull up on my app. But furthermore, we're just going to get into it. So my package did come today. I ordered it December the 23rd, but because of the holidays, there was a little delay. I didn't get too much, but I did want to get a few things because if you watch my perfume collection, you know that I'm in desperate need of some perfume because all my bottles are empty. So that's what it looks like. My receipt, and I got a 15% off on Tommy Bahama, Kenneth Cole, Vince Commuter, or Paris Hilton fragrance in store or online. So they did give me a coupon, and this is what I have in here. Okay, so let me start with my body sprays. I got 3 body sprays. They were 3 for $18. So they were roughly $6 a piece, which is not bad. And I've had this before and I really, really like it. It's called Tempting by Sofia Vergara. I hope I'm saying her last name correctly. But yeah, and it spells really, really good. And I also like to travel with one of these, so I do keep them in my purse. I do keep a body spray in my purse, but I didn't have any, so yeah, I got 3 of those, as you can see. And like I said before, Perfumania is actually the best place to purchase your smell good, your perfumes, your body sprays. And I always buy my body spray and perfumes from Perfumania, because I was trying to wash my coins, but yeah, I got that. So the next thing I got is the Vera Wang Princess. And this is actually one that I've been wanting to try for a very long time. I'm actually going to open it up. This is what I want to see. So yeah, and that's what it looks like. And it's purple, which is one of my favorite colors. I love the packaging. I love that it's in a heart-shaped bottle. And then at the very top, it's like a little crown. They got little jewels in it. So it's very, very cute. You just take it off, and that's what it looks like. And I dropped it on the floor. Sorry. But yeah, that's cute. I like that. So it smells so good. I've heard a lot of reviews on this, and every review that I've seen were all good reviews on this perfume fragrance. So that's Vera Wang Princess. So that's that. So that's pretty much what I got myself. I got 3 body sprays in this. I'm going to eventually get some more, but let me tell you my reasons for buying 3 body sprays. My reason for buying 3 body sprays is so that I won't go through this so fast, and it allowed me, you know, to make more perfume purchases as well. So, and these should last me a pretty good long time. So that way I can still continue to buy new perfume fragrances to try. Because there are a couple more I want to try. I want to try the black, what is it called? Black Optima. There's a couple of, I want to try the Michael Kors. So there's a couple of other ones that I want to try, but this was only like, let's see how much this was. Well, it doesn't say it on here, but this was only like $29 or $32. And this is the biggest size. It's the 3.4 ounce fluid. So that's that. And next, this was for my husband. This is Versace blue jeans for men's. They also have one for women's, but I got this for my husband. This is his favorite fragrance. He's been wearing it for years, since high school. So if you open it up, that's what it looks like. It's a nice size bottle. It smells really, really good. And he really, really loves it. And he goes through these a lot. But yeah. So that's what I got him. And it was only about $32. So it wasn't bad. So, and that is it. So like I said, I told y'all that I was gonna do an unboxing. So that's the unboxing for you. And I hope y'all enjoyed that. Something just quick and simple. So if you enjoyed that unboxing, let me know. Leave comments at the bottom. Give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. And I will see y'all in the next one. Goodbye.